Let's first get you details of what to expect in the winter session of Parliament. It's day 2 and expect that proceedings will be dominated over the suspension of 12 opposition MPs. This happened yesterday and the opposition has been slamming this particular move, calling it undemocratic. Because of that, there's going to be political fireworks today. The opposition will be holding a meeting at 10 a.m. to chalk out their next step, their future course of action. The opposition has termed the suspension unfair and unjust. The suspended MPs on their part have alleged that this was being done to ensure that BJP enjoys majority in the upper house. As far as the government is concerned, they've said that if these suspended MPs seek an apology as per the rules, then there can be a deliberation. Now, the suspension notice says that the MPs showed an utter disregard to the authority of the chair by persistently abusing the rules of the House. Remember, this happened in the monsoon session. Moreover, the suspension notice also mentions that the attack on security personnel inside the House was intentional. The suspended MPs include 2 Shiv Sena members of Parliament, including Priyanka Chaturvedi, 6 Congress MPs and 4 CPM MPs.
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन हमसे और माननीय पीयूष गोयल जी से बात किया, तब भी हम उनको कहा, आप सभी को ये कहिए वो सदन में माफ़ी मांगे, रिग्रेट व्यक्त करें। अगर वो विषाद व्यक्त करते हैं तो हम मामला यही क्लोज करने के लिए, समाप्त करने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
We have raised voice in favor of people of our country, in favor of constitution, in favor of the farmers, against the farm bill, against the Pegasus conspiracy, etc., etc. So we feel proud to be suspended for this great cause.
11th August 2021, monsoon session of Parliament. Ruckus broke out in Rajya Sabha during the farm laws debate. The BJP alleged opposition MPs manhandled marshals. The opposition claimed marshals assaulted the protesting MPs. 3 months later, on the very first day of the winter session of Parliament, 12 MPs stand suspended for the ruckus in August. The penalised MPs include Priyanka Chaturvedi and Anil Desai of the Shiv Sena.
सीधा आज आकर ये announcement कर दिया है without our knowledge, and the understanding is and the explanation is that nobody cooperated in the investigation. I have not, and I challenge the government of India, I challenge the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to show me one single call that they have done to me, to reach out to me and ask me what my version of the story.
The list has 6 Congress MPs, including Chaya Verma, Ripun Bora, Rajmani Patel and Akhilesh Prasad Sen. The grand old party termed the suspension death of democracy.
This is totally undemocratic. This is a murder of the democracy. This is a murder of the constitution. You see, we have not been given the opportunity to be heard, and this is a one-sided decision. It is a biased decision, vindictive decision. The opposition parties have not been consulted here.
The suspension notice said the MPs showed utter disregard to the authority of the chair by persistently abusing the rules of the House. The notice also called the attack on marshals intentional and unprecedented act of misconduct and contempt. While the government stands by its decision calling it a new law, the opposition questions the timing of the suspension.
ड्रामा पिछले सत्र में हुआ था, तभी सस्पेंड करना था। ये तो कहीं नियम में नहीं लिखा है कि एक सत्र में अगर हंगामा हो तो दूसरे सत्र में उसको सस्पेंड करें।
मैंने अपने संसदीय जीवन में इस प्रकार की अराजकता और इस प्रकार का दृश्य नहीं देखा था, लेकिन चूंकि उसी दिन सदन स्थगित हो गया, जो कार्रवाई करना संभव नहीं था, तो ये बहुत स्वागत योग्य कदम है। एक संदेश जाना चाहिए उन सांसदों को जो नियम कानून मर्यादा का पालन नहीं करते हैं और जिन्होंने संसदीय परंपराओं को कलंकित करने का काम किया।
Rajya Sabha chairperson Venkaiah Naidu lashed out at the opposition, accusing it of wasting valuable time with disruptions.
All the sections of this August House ended up losers, and also the country. Should we not draw right lessons from such unpleasant experience that entail huge cost to democracy besides living?